Google is incredibly powerful. But if your search results feel messy, irrelevant, or frustrating, most of the time it's not Google's fault. It's how most people search. In this video, I'll show you the most common Google search mistakes that lead to bad results, and how to fix them instantly with small changes. The first mistake is using vague or overly short searches. When you type just one or two unclear words, Google has too many ways to interpret what you mean. That's why you often get mixed results that don't really answer your question. The fix is simple. Be more specific and search like you're explaining the problem to a human. The second mistake is not removing unwanted keywords. If Google keeps showing content you don't need, your search is too broad. You can tell Google exactly what to exclude by using the minus sign. This instantly cleans up your results. The third mistake is trusting the first page without refining the search. Many people scroll endlessly, hoping the right answer appears. But the smartest move is to improve the search itself. Even one extra word can dramatically change the results. The fourth mistake is ignoring exact phrases. Without quotation marks, Google guesses what you mean instead of following your exact words. When accuracy matters, search exact phrases to get precise results. And finally, searching everywhere instead of the right place. Sometimes the best answers lie on one specific website, forum, or documentation page. Limiting your search to trusted sources saves time and frustration. The fix is simple. Use clearer phrases, exclude unnecessary words, search exact terms, and focus on the right sources. Once you stop searching randomly and start searching intentionally, Google becomes a powerful tool instead of a frustrating one. If you want more smart ways to search, learn faster, and save time online, you'll find more videos like this right here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.